Hey there. Need to send a large sum securely, like for a home down payment? Wiring money from Bank of America is a reliable service, but accuracy with the details is absolutely critical. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to initiate one. For security and to ensure all details are correct, it's often best to visit a Bank of America branch with the recipient's full banking information. You can also start a wire online or in the app for some account types by going to Transfers, Wire Money. You'll need the recipient's full name, address, bank name, routing number, account number, and for international wires, the SWIFT/BIC code. My crucial pro tip? Call the recipient to verbally confirm the details. Wire transfers are typically irreversible once sent. A single-digit error can send your money into a black hole. Before you send, especially for large amounts, call the recipient on a known phone number and read back all the details for their confirmation. That's how you execute a major financial transaction with total confidence. Have you ever sent or received a wire transfer? What was it for? Share your experience below. For more guides on significant money movements, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.